Welcome back to the Keaton Knife Shop. Today I'm going to be making a very simple jig. I've had another jig that I've been using for a while now and I really don't like it. It's a little too complex and I can't seem to get good bevels with it. Here's a picture of it on the top right. It's too heavy. I just don't like it. So I'm going to make a simpler, more streamlined version. So as we go through this video, I'm just going to throw my commentary here and there. So right here, I'm just cleaning up the edges of this piece of 2x2 by 1/4 inch angle. It's about 7.5 inches long. Here I'm taking a Sharpie and a 1-2-3 block to scribe a line across the face of my new jig. Next I'll take it over to the bandsaw and cut along this line. Notice the 5-inch depth of my bandsaw isn't quite deep enough to get this whole piece cut, so I'll have to take it out and turn it around. Now I'm just going to clean up that surface on my 2x72. The height of this ledge is about 1 inch. Next I'm marking a center line. This is where I'll drill my hole for my adjustable bolt that I'll thread in here. Next we'll start drilling our hole. We'll start small and then work up to a U-bit. A U-size bit is the recommended tap drill for 7/16 by 14 thread. That is the size bolt that I'll be using. I had some spare lying around. Next we'll tap the hole. Just knocking off the burr from the top and bottom of the holes, and then we're assembling our jig with the stop nut. And that's pretty much it. Pretty simple little setup here. Here's how it clamps onto a knife. And then I'll show some quick video montages here of me utilizing this jig to grind some bevels. The red belt you've seen me using here is a 60 grit VSM ceramic belt, and then I switched to a 120 grit ceramic Hermes belt. After that I took it to a few different gator belts, and this is how it turned out. Not bad for a first go. And that's it. Short and sweet video today. I just wanted to show off this simple to make, easy to use jig, and if you want to make one, this is how. Catch you all on the flip side.